Hey guys, just new with JHart Modelworks. So this video should have been a video update on the Lamborghini Gallardo. It's not going to be. You can see the Lamborghini right up there. It has been stripped and has been reprimered, and it's currently in silver base. It wasn't originally in silver base. Originally it was black. It was supposed to be a really, really dark red. Yeah, yours truly messed up the paint job. I don't know. I swear I used to be able to paint model cars. Don't know what's going on, but the last few builds I've just had a go of it. But we'll talk more about me ruining paint jobs when we do an update on that. Hopefully next week. We'll see. Lots of stuff going on with the Ferrari build. Nothing really seriously completed though. I've been kind of piddling with a whole bunch of little things here and there. Like I have built one of those wire wheels. Oh my god, that was a challenge. And my wire cutters really suck, so I needed new wire cutters. I've got some, so I'll be working on those soon. Hopefully we'll see. And just like I've been playing with some stuff in the interior here and there. The engine block is built up, but not really enough to do a full kind of update, and it's not really its turn anyhow. So we'll get an update on that eventually as well. Instead, what we're going to do is I'm actually going to do some shop card shoutouts on some shop cards that I've had. A couple of these I've had for a while now. This is my birthday weekend. Actually, this video will come out as long as I edit it in time. This video will be coming out on my birthday, as well as Shawn's from the Scale Model Car Guy channel. I know Shawn hasn't posted in a long time. I haven't heard anything out of him in a while either. But do me a favor, after watching this video, go over to Shawn's channel. I'll put a link down there in the description. And just go to one of his old videos and just put a comment saying, "Happy birthday, Shawn." And just wish him a happy birthday, because you know things have been going kind of rough for him as well. He's been super busy, working a lot, so that might cheer him up. Now, on to these shop cards. The first shop card comes to us from Manny's Scale Modeling. Awesome shop card. I've had this, honestly, I've had this shop card since the kind of close to the end of December. It's been sitting in that corner right there, just waiting for me to do shop card shoutouts, and I've done everything else. Manny's an awesome builder. He does some beautiful, beautiful patina work. He's got a whole bunch of different stuff on his channel as well. He's got a tutorial on wood. It's different from my tutorial on wood. That's, you know, awesome. You can never have too many different ways to do things. Helps you find, you know, a way that works for you. So go ahead and check Manny's channel out. It actually should look something like that right there. There will, of course, be a link down there in the description to all of these channels. Go ahead and check him out. The next shop card comes to us from Will over at 1968 Ford Man's Model Shop. Will is an excellent member of the community. He's been around for years. He's got a great channel. He builds a bunch of different stuff too. He's got some exotics here and there. He's got, you know, classic muscle. He's got some antiques, you know, 40s, trucks, vans, you name it. If it's automotive, it's on his channel. Does a great job. I haven't, honestly, I'm going to be honest here. I've had a really hard time keeping up with anybody on YouTube. So I haven't watched a lot of his stuff, but there is a lot of good stuff there. From the looks of it, there's some great stuff to watch. Definitely go over and give Will a check out as well. Up there on it'll be down there. You know the link's going to be down in the description. Will, thank you for the really kind words on the back as well. Go check out Will. Our last shop card comes to us from Caleb over at Big Guy Modelworks. Another great builder. We've been talking a lot on Facebook Messenger recently. He's been working on a Skyline. So he does a bunch of different stuff too. He'll do muscle cars. He'll do JDM cars. Great channel. He's doing a great job. Honestly, when he first started watching my channel and started commenting on my videos, I called him Joe, and he called me on it. He posted in one of his as a reply. It was like, "Did you just call me Joe from Big Sky Modelworks?" I'm like, yeah, I did. So I've worked very hard to not make that mistake again. Sorry about that, Caleb. Again, Caleb over at Big Guy Modelworks. Another great builder. Check him out. He's got some great videos going on there as well. All right, guys, that is going to be a wrap for this video. Looks like it's going to be a short one too. I didn't think I knew how to make a video that was less than 20 minutes long. You guys know I like to ramble. Like I said, this is my birthday weekend, so fingers crossed I'm going to be able to get some build time in. My big goal is to get that thing right there in some color. I've got some new paint in, ordered some paint from Splash. It is a different color, so we're going a different route. But hopefully we can get that knocked out and I don't mess it up again. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. You guys know I always appreciate you watching the videos and supporting the channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.